What's up, Guelph, Ontario? My name is Alex and I'm with Black and Yellow Pavement, and we're out here at this townhouse complex at 39 Ptarmigan. We're gonna be doing some infrared asphalt repairs on this lot. We're gonna crack seal it. We're gonna seal coat all the driveways, and then we're gonna apply one heavy coat of slurry on all the roadways and paint the lines. Let's see how we do. That's a wrap, Guelph, Ontario, out here at 39 Ptarmigan Drive. This townhouse complex parking lot looks absolutely incredible. We got another super happy client out here. Hey, it's almost the end of the season, so if you're still looking to get your parking lot seal coated, make sure you give us a call soon so we can get you guys in the schedule too.